Today is May 31st, and we're still in the middle of hatching season. And last night, we hatched out some white mandarins. I think it was 12 under that one.
They're so cute.
That's 4. That's 5, 6. That's 7. That's number 8. So it makes 10. And 11. Nope, there's one more. That's 12. And also, we hatched out some peacocks, pea chicks. And there's another one.
Hello, baby.
And while I was taking the white mandarins out, I accidentally picked up a white pea chick because they were the same color. So he needs to go over here with his buddies. And we got a few pheasants that hatched out last night.
Jungle fowl.
Just like jungle fowl, gray jungle fowl. Yeah, some more. I believe that was one. And there's another one.
Okay.
And here is some more teal ducks that hatched out last week, and some other various ducks in there. I know the red light makes it a little hard to see, and there's some more.